So I've been getting a lot of comments lately about my breathable masks that I finally discovered. I had 2 surgeries last year, and so I've been in a lot of recovery, and masks are required at the doctor's office, and then I broke my foot. So so after several days of wearing these beautiful medical masks, I decided I needed to find something more breathable, and so I tried a couple different options. I had these nice soft white kind of t-shirt fabric ones that I had gotten. To be honest, they were just too big for my face and so I was gonna have to trim these ear things so that it would fit a little bit better. And someone gave me this, which, I mean, these are a good option. They tie behind your head, or you could tie them over your ears, I'm sure. But I didn't feel like they were that breathable for long periods of time. And of course, everyone's done the scarf trick, you know, try to look cool. But my favorite one by far ended up being a sock. So I thought I would just make a quick video and show everybody how to have a breathable face covering that's really soft and doesn't bother your ears. I have a lot of earrings and they would get stuck on my ears, and I didn't like them rubbing, and so I did go in for a CT scan where I was required not to wear a homemade mask. They did force me to put on a medical grade mask, but everywhere else I've been fine wearing my very breathable sock mask. So we're gonna show you quick how to do this. This one's actually inside out. So this is just the sock. I mean, this is actually kind of a dirty sock, and not dirty. I've washed it, but you know, they get stained. So if that bothers you, you could go buy a sock. But we're gonna try this. And so basically the chin is gonna go where the heel is here. And then I'm gonna show you how to, we're just gonna cut the sock essentially in half. And I was actually able to make a second face covering out of the toe, but it wasn't quite, it didn't fit quite as well. So I'm just gonna do this one for now. But once we've got it cut in half, you're basically just gonna cut with it folded in half. You're just gonna cut right straight down this here. And then now that you've got it apart, this essentially ends up being your mask. So it won't fit yet, but so then we're just gonna trim these edges to kind of round them out a little bit. Sorry, you can hear my kids in the background. They're trying to give my dog a bath. Sounds like the dog's being on me. Okay. And then if you fold this, once you've kind of curved those edges there, if you fold, so here's it folded the way it was. And so we're basically just gonna fold one side in half like this so that the heel is sticking out right here. And then we're just gonna kind of make a niche, kind of like that. And then we're gonna stretch it out for your ear. And do the same thing on this side. So I know that nobody likes these face coverings. They're not anybody's favorite, but if you have to, like I did, end up with an option where you are required to wear a mask, at least this is maybe one that you can breathe in a little bit better. So, and I'm just gonna put it over my ears. And you can get it too. Stay over. There you go. Super attractive, I know. Okay, that's it. Thank you.